Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. And today what I want to discuss is the differences between Infinity Processing System and List Infinity. These are two opportunities that I have been involved in. And I just want to talk about the difference between the two so that if you're making a decision on joining either one of those, you basically know the pros and cons of both of the opportunities. But not only that, this is just some education so that you know about the online space, this affiliate marketing, these two programs, and it'll give you an idea of which one to join or which one best fits you and your budget, okay? So the first one that we're gonna talk about is Infinity Processing System. And the reason why I started out with this one is because I've been working with this opportunity for now 7 months. It has paid me over $50,000 and it's continuing to grow. If you're new to my channel or you don't know much about me, I'm going to just share a little bit of proof from one of my accounts just to show you that you can really make money online and that this is a real opportunity. These are real results. I am here in my home office, and if you want to make a difference financially, you can do so by using either one of these platforms. So I'm going to show you basically how you can use them and how I was able to generate the amount of money I was able to generate using these platforms. Now, one of the things I want to say is that you will need to put in work in order to see the results. And not a whole lot of work, okay? You're going to need at least a couple of hours at least a couple of hours per day, maybe an hour to 2 hours a day. And you're going to need at least 4 days a week in order to make this work. So I'm going to just go to the quarter. Let's see here, previous quarter. I'm going to go to, let's see here. Let me customize it. And I'm going to do from today. Let's go back just a couple of months. Okay. So I'm going to go to September 1st till now, which is November 28th. With this account, I've grossed over $8,000, almost $9,000. Okay. And this is just with one account. So this is just to show you what's possible. I'm not going to compare it to anything. I just want you to basically see what you can do. In 1 month, let's just go to 1 month here. Let's go to the last 4 weeks. I was able to do $3,722 with just one account, okay? I also have an authorized .net account that I use to accept payments on top of my Stripe account. You can accumulate anywhere from $50 a day all the way up to hundreds of dollars a day, depending on what it is that you're promoting and how consistent you are with your efforts, okay? So back to Infinity Processing System. This is an educational platform where you're going to have the reseller rights to promote this opportunity, and you're gonna learn how to make $300 a day, sometimes more and sometimes less, again, based off of your efforts. When you first come to this video and review the information, it's going to just give you some quick information about Infinity Processing System, how it works, and how you can start earning with this opportunity. As you scroll down, you'll see my name along with some information. When you sign up, you will get a duplicated website that will look like this, but it will just have your information along with your picture and your social media account, okay? So how does it work? Basically with 3 steps. You're going to get started, you're going to start posting the ads, and you're going to get paid from the ads that you post, okay? And these are going to go straight to your account. There's no middleman. You're going to get payments sent directly to you, and these are 100% payouts. So this is a step-by-step process for making automatic commissions each and every day that will be life-changing if you allow it to. And for some people, you can start earning right away. Some people, it may take a little bit of time depending on your skill set, how much time you could put into your business, and how serious you take the opportunity. So, if you are struggling, you feel stuck and confused, maybe you're a stay-at-home mom or dad, college dropout, you're looking for some way to earn some additional income, and maybe you have 2 jobs and you want to quit a job, this is a great way to replace that income. So as you scroll down, you'll notice that there's 3 different levels. You have a $50 level, $150, and a $300. These are all one-time payments, along with the $25 admin fee. That's, again, a one-time payment, and that's for your website. In the description below will be the link where you can see what's included in each of these different levels. Now, the difference between this and List Infinity is List Infinity is also a platform that has an educational, it's an educational platform that's going to teach you how to build an email list. So this is basically different from Infinity Processing System, because with Infinity Processing System, you're using ads and you're placing them on social media, where with List Infinity, you are actually going to learn how to build a profitable email list. They're going to show you exactly how to do it and how to set this up for the long term. Okay. So with this one, it's only a one-time payment of $100. It's going to allow you to earn unlimited $100 payouts. With this system, it's a one-time payment. You're going to be able to set up your account just by following the system. It took me literally under an hour to complete the entire setup yesterday. It was very easy, self-explanatory, and straight to the point. You can get paid as long as you have a Stripe or PayPal account with this opportunity, where with 𝗢𝗶𝘶, you can use any third-party payment processor in order to get paid. So that's the difference between the two. With this, you're going to have direct payments to your PayPal or Stripe account. They're going to give you the done-for-you lead capture pages that's built into the system. It's going to help you generate emails and also sales, where with 𝗢𝗶𝘶, you're not going to get the capture pages. They will teach you how to set them up and where to go to get them. But with List Infinity, these capture pages are already built in for your success. And they give you, these are what they look like, some of them, and they're high converting lead capture pages. Okay. So once you sign up and start your system, it's going to automatically give you the link. All you have to do is copy and paste the link. Another thing that I love about this is that I went through the training platform, and I love the fact that they have all of this different stuff that you can use in order to start seeing success. And they have paid traffic and free traffic. Now with Infinity Processing System, you're going to also get paid traffic and free traffic. I feel like with List Infinity, the traffic is a bit more updated and not outdated. Not only that, a lot of the strategies that are in List Infinity are strategies that I use, that I find extremely useful when it comes to building an online business. So if you go to the pro training videos, they have one that deals with just mainly mindset. You have your Facebook marketing strategy, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and then your 10K blueprint. Now, when you come in here at the $300 level, that's what you would have to pay to get the TikTok and all of these different trainings. But for List Infinity, it's only $100 and you're getting these trainings as well. Okay. So that's what I love. Now, another thing that's different between the two is with List Infinity, you can literally start for free. So let's just say you want to test it out. You want to see what it's all about. You know, maybe you want to see what the back office looks like. You're going to be able to do so by starting out with a free account. So with the free membership, you're going to be able to build your email list for free. You can upgrade at any time. You cannot start earning until you upgrade. So I want to make that very clear. You're going to get the viral lead capture pages. Your email campaign is already going to be there. Your free autoresponder, you're going to be able to get 60 engaging Facebook posts, 30 lead generation posts. I actually started using these yesterday. You get your Facebook groups that you can advertise in. They're going to give those to you, a free traffic system. You get your solo ad information, private Facebook group, and you could try it before you buy it. Where with 𝗢𝗶𝘶, you cannot try it before you buy it. You have to buy it first in order to try it. They both give you a free VIP vacation voucher. You're going to get that with 𝗢𝗶𝘶, and you're going to also get that with List Infinity once you are a pro member. So once you sign up at the pro level, you're going to get your free vacation. Okay. So you get your free traffic system here, and it gives you the videos on exactly what to do and how to do it. The same thing with 𝗢𝗶𝘶, you're going to know what to do and how to do it as well. They both have Facebook groups. So once you become a member, if you want to, you know, get involved and see what's going on, you can absolutely 100% join the Facebook group. The system setup, again, is about 30 to 40 minutes long. It doesn't take that long to get set up. Both of the systems I like. If you are looking for something that have higher payouts, you may want to go with 𝗢𝗶𝘶, because again, people could come in at the pro level, which is $300, where with List Infinity, it's only $100 per person, which again can be life-changing for some people. If you're getting 2-3 of these a week or even a day, that's life-changing for a lot of people. They have a frequently asked questions. You can get that in the description below, where they answer a lot of the questions that you may be thinking of, okay? Both of them I really like, and I love the fact that they're one-time payments and that you can actually start building a list, but not only that, earning consistently with these programs. For people that are looking forward to building an email list, which is what I highly recommend, because when you start building an email list, that is like you're generating money daily. Once your list hit your first 100, your first 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 people on your list, that can be life-changing for a lot of people. So I absolutely would recommend building a list, but not only that, getting involved in one of these opportunities, because for the new year, a lot of people are going to be looking at opportunities to start, and this is a great time to actually get involved. So I want to say thank you for viewing this video. If you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe, and I'll see you another day at another time in another video. Have a great day and stay blessed.